Hey everybody. In this section we're going to be starting to talk about equations and their solutions as it says in the title. So if we look at the objectives on page 92, you'll see we're going to identify the difference between an equation and an expression. We'll determine if a number is a solution of an equation. We'll express statements as mathematical equations. We'll set up some equations for application problems, and we actually won't be doing number 5. So before we get started, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this whole chapter as an introduction. You'll see on the screen right now, this is what I did over the weekend. I thought you may be interested to see. That is mine and my wife's side by side there, and there's a little bit of mud on it. That was after the first day, so we went back a couple days after that, and it got a little dirtier. I don't think you could actually read anything on it after that day. So, anyway, let's go ahead and get started with this section. Okay, so as it says in the book, in this chapter we're going to learn how to solve equations and inequalities using a couple important properties. There's the addition property of equality and the multiplication property of equality. We're also going to talk about some application problems that involve these equations and inequalities, and we're going to really look back on the things that we talked about in sections 1.7 and 1.8 to help us with a lot of this. So they give us an example at the beginning here, talking about Oprah Winfrey and James Cameron, a couple of really famous directors. So Cameron directed Avatar, and Oprah Winfrey directed Titanic, and apparently these were the two highest paid celebrities. It says they earned a combined total of $525 million, and Oprah earned $105 million more than James Cameron, so it wants to know how much each of them earned. And in this section we're going to learn how to express this type of information as an equation, and we'll learn how to solve these equations in the next section. So go ahead and check out the next video on objective number 1.